created a couple of endpoints for creating new users, identifying users, retrieving a user, retrieving all the users. How about I've had it with this community, and I want to remove myself, right? And so I'm asking, or maybe it's a user admin, and they are removing a rowdy user, so they want to delete a user. So we could do an app delete, right? And we can send a delete, right, to this URL that is going to have perhaps maybe the ID of the user encoded in the URL, right? And we have a request. We have a request response, and we're going to use in user DAO. Presumably, there might be a delete user, right? And we're going to pass the ID of the user by parsing the user ID from the parameters. So this would be user ID, right? And it's going to come back from the database with some kind of status saying, yep, we were able to remove them or not, right? And then we're just going to send back the status back to the client. Now notice that the delete user is not implemented, right? So let's implement that. Let's go here and let's implement that. So it would be something like const delete user, and then we have the user ID, and we're going to say users model dot remove, right? And we can remove a specific document by its ID. There we go. Okay. Once we have that, right, make sure that we export that and make it available to everybody. Okay, and let's test it. Let's go back to the to Postman, right, and maybe we can duplicate one of these, right, and this would be maybe delete. Call it delete user, and it'll be http:// localhost users, and we have the ID. So let's see, who do we want to remove? Let's remove Daniel Craig. Poor Daniel. We keep adding him and removing. So let's We'll send that delete to that URL, and it's a delete here. I'm going to save that. I'm going to run it, and what comes back is that it did not work. What? Users cannot delete. Let's see what I missed. Oh, now it came back. Must be that I had not restarted the server. If we hit the database again, notice that Dan no longer exists.